So many random things. My God. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. It's the rarest of snakes. The garden hose. OMG, it's the garden hose. Oh my God. I've never seen one before. The garden hose. Come on, come on. We're gonna go see the fungus. What? Yes. We're gonna go see the fungus. Mary, you need a plastic bag? No. Oh my God.
OMG. It's the carrot fungus.
I want to go pick it up.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, come on, let's go with gloves. Hold on, Mary. Let's get some gloves. Gloves.
Just get a towel or something.
I got gloves.
Oh my gosh. Let's go see this. Oh my God.
Mary, here's your glove.
No, you're picking it up. I'm holding the camera. Oh my God. It's a carrot fungi.
I'm disgusted to pick this up. Touch it.
Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, go. Pick it up before my camera dies.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's a carrot. Is it a carrot? Oh my gosh, it looks like a carrot.
It's not
Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. He looks like a doll. I think he's a doll. Ooh, trophies. Oh my God, he looks like a doll.
Hey, Paul, go get the gun.
Birdman Patty loves you too. She loves everyone except for you. Get away, you